Ooh, these are thick. Low compression. So these are 31 thou thick. These are pretty thick. 35, 33. Ooh, these are big bore too. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
So we have some options here. This one's like 38. 33 on this side. 37. 33. 35. 37. None of them be consistent.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, these are the wrong ones. Big bore, see?
Yeah.
They're not marked as big bore, but they're big bore. Maybe they should be marked big bore. Big bore. Probably have a whole bunch of these that look the same. Because I'm just going to put two fronts on there because I didn't care about the cylinder being bigger on one side. It still goes down the side.
Yeah.
But can't use big bore. We have an option.
Okay.
We can leave the gaskets out.
Okay.
Get some more compression in this motor. Remember how we got a low compression motor?
Yeah.
We have a bunch of sunk valve seats.
Mm-hmm.
Valves. So how thick are these head gaskets? Are they 60? Are they 40? Or are they something in between? You can tell they're quality gaskets. Just look how nice they look.
Yeah.
I think it says right on their quality. HD 16. They got a part number on 65.
All right.
Fit your bike. You know these are high quality gaskets. Just go look at them. 52. That's a lot better than 62. 51. 45. 41. 45. That's pretty good. That'll get the squeeze up there. So these are 40s. Mid 40s, low to mid 40s thickness. So that's good for high compression.
Okay.
What's this older Teflon one measure? 42. Ooh, good one. They used to make these 60 thou back in the day. This might be an old SNS one, but it doesn't have SNS written on it, but it looks like it, feels like it. These ones are cheap ass Dixie ones, which are made in Wang Bang land. Could be Afghanistan or somewhere else.
Somewhere.
Who knows where they made them from? North Korea. Hard to tell. All right, well, we're going to pick up some squeeze here. Get some back.
Okay.
So you want gas on the base? Or you want to eliminate those two and get more squeeze?
It's your motor, you tell me.
Well, do you care if it leaks a little bit of oil?
Well, yeah.
I don't care.
I don't want oil everywhere.
Oh, so you want a gasket. Okay, those guys. You're one of those type.
Weird.
Gee, I don't know why. Why would you care? Okay, we're going to have to do some gaskets for that then. Alright, so meantime, let's do some piston. We're going to load some piston rings on here. And we didn't check the gap on these because they're smaller than normal, see?
Okay.
The new way of doing it, they're supposed to put these either up or down. I forget which way it was. I don't know why it matters. I don't care. Whichever.
However you put it on.
Doesn't bother me which way. I don't care which way it goes.
Okay.
The new ones, they care about it. The old ones, they never did. Have a problem here, though.
Doesn't seem to go in the little crack.
These don't fit. So these are not 3/16 pistons. These are thinner. These have Evo rings in them. Yep. 145. So what do they do with the original rings they threw away?
Probably got thrown away.
Why don't you throw the rings away? I never throw rings away.
Oh.
You know why? In
In case you need them.
case I need them. Ah, look what I found.
Look, that worked.
Now I have an Evo set.
All right.
You know what between an Evo set and a shovel set is?
The size.
The O-ring. The O-ring expander, not the ring itself.
Yeah.
So, gap for spring, gap for ring 180 from the other gap of the ring. Oh, look at that. Looks like it's supposed to.
Weird.
Evo ring. Shovelhead ring. Okay, now I need one more expander. I only saw one sitting there, so I don't know what they did with it.
Ah, look at you.
See, that's why I said don't throw those away. Remember I told you that?
No, but I'll take your word
You
for
were
it.
throwing away all the rings. I told you don't throw them away. We might need them someday.
Okay.
Hey, this is someday we need them.
Right. Oh yeah. See the difference.
These are shovelhead. If you put them back in a 20 over box, you know what size they are. Now they don't make one for every 10 thou, but there's probably 0 to 20 or 0 to 30 is one, and 30 to 60 is probably not one. Those ones are 20 because it's smart. Now we got another one. We built an Evo now. I thought it was a shovelhead the whole time, but now it's an Evo.
Oh.
We're moving up in the world.
If you say so.
They claim. So you know what year they put Evo rings in a shovelhead?
No.
Probably 83. Well, this is an 83 motor.
Right.
They started dicking around at 82 and doing weird shit, but I thought it was like 84 they started really getting into the weird rings. But it looks like they did it in 83 probably. So, see, this motor's an original motor. It's a Harley Piston. Harley written right in it. So that's an original piston for an original Harley motor. So if you take the Evo ring and a shovel, because those are actually shovel rings in the Evo, they just thought they were not the same. Just like the oil pump's a shovelhead pump, not an Evo pump like they claim. Make sure your ring turns freely.
Okay.
You know what I forgot to do? Forgot to look for the marks to go up.
Oh.
Had it upside down. See the mark?
There it is.
What size is it? 30? Or 20?
It says 20.
It says 20?
Yeah.
Good, because 20 over rings. Okay, so now we have the correct ring, the correct direction. That would have sucked oil like crazy if it did it that way. See, this one has 20 on this side.
All right. Yep.
Make sure you use the ring expander to do this correctly.
Okay.
So, everybody has ring expanders in their hand. It's called fingers. So you put those in the ring groove. You expand them with your thumbs and push down with your forefingers. And it opens up and goes right down.
Look at that.
Everybody has them unless you've got something wrong with you. But there are people out there that have something wrong with themselves. So
Yeah.
if you're one of those, you probably shouldn't be working on Harleys. Because you don't have the ring expander.
All right.
We just have to put a disclaimer on there, only for people who have thumbs and forefingers.
You get yourself in trouble.
Not again. I thought I couldn't got kicked out of the internet now. Are they putting the rules back in effect again?
Yeah.
Oh, damn it. Oh well. I'll get over it.
Yeah, I know.
20. So whose rings are these again? What rings? These are Evo rings.
Evo rings.
Evo rings. Evo rings on my shovelhead. It's going to run better now.
We'll see.
That's 10 horsepower right there.
All right.
Okay, where's those gaskets we need now?
Probably upstairs.
Wow. I need a ring collapser now.
Got one on the end of your arms.
nub it in?
Yeah.
Or use my fingers?
Use your fingers.
Oh, those things. Okay, we'll use some gaskets first. We'll be
Okay.
back.